In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website to HTML. This process allows you to have a local backup of your Wix site or even host it elsewhere. Let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. To begin with, head over to your Wix editor, where you create and make changes to your site. You'll need to ensure everything is exactly how you want it, because our next step calls for publishing the site. Once you're satisfied with your website's design and functionality, go ahead and publish the site. This is crucial because you need the live version of the site to proceed with the conversion. Once your site is published, you'll be provided with a URL that you can use to visit your live site. Open up this URL in your preferred web browser. What we want to do here is save a copy of this web page directly onto your computer. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on the published site. You'll see a menu pop up, and in this menu, you need to select the option that says Save As. Once you've clicked Save As, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the site. You can select your Downloads folder or any other place where you easily access files. With the location chosen, go ahead and click the Save button. Your browser will then proceed to download the HTML file, along with some assets like images and style sheets that make up your website. It's important to note at this point that some Wix-specific features and applications won't be part of this download because they rely on Wix's proprietary systems. These are functionalities that are tied directly to Wix's hosting and back-end infrastructure, and unfortunately, they can't be transferred into a regular HTML file. However, you will still have a static version of your site that you can keep for reference or host elsewhere, minus these specific features. Now that your files are downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved your website files. You'll find that your site's HTML file, as well as some accompanying folders that may contain images and style sheets, are there. You can open these HTML files directly in your browser to view your site as it now stands. This can be particularly useful if you want to have a local copy for browsing, or even if you aim to make modifications using other web development tools. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your Wix website to HTML. Keep in mind the limitations regarding some Wix functionalities, but otherwise enjoy exploring your newly saved website files. Thanks for watching, and good luck with managing your website.